Introducing your future home at 110 Sawmill Road in St. Robert, a residence that exudes comfort and style in a highly sought after neighborhood. Boasting 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a spacious layout, every corner of this well maintained home offers functionality and aesthetic appeal. The walkout basement and true 2-car garage add considerable value and convenience to this charming property. Central to the home is a beautiful gas fireplace, which elegantly separates the living and dining areas, setting the stage for memorable family moments and festive gatherings. An added bonus room offers space for a second living area, game room, or an inviting spot for hosting guests. Situated mere minutes from local shopping, dining, and amenities, this home strikes the perfect balance between tranquility and accessibility. Call Curtis Sansom at 573-284-9890 to schedule a tour.